Pressure in the tunnel, hear the walls complain. Speed like a whisper turning into pain. Still moving faster than the air can breathe. Noise in the night that the city can't sleep. Looking for answers in the books we wrote. Every calculation still coming up short. Then I saw a shadow cut clean through the blue. One clean motion, nothing broke through. No crash, no sound, just a line going down. Didn't fight the wave, just let it fall around. No!